Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Dodge Ram headlight bulb. This is a straightforward task you can do yourself with a few basic tools. First, ensure your truck is parked safely with the engine off and the parking brake engaged. You will need a ratchet, 8mm and 10mm sockets, a flathead screwdriver, and a trim removal tool. Remember to wear clean gloves when handling the new bulb to prevent oils from your skin from damaging it. To begin, open your truck's hood. You will likely see a black plastic radiator shield at the front. Use your trim removal tool or a flathead screwdriver to carefully pry out the 6 plastic pushpin clips securing this shield. Once the shield is removed, you can often gain access to the back of the headlight assembly by turning your wheel fully to the side and opening an access panel in the wheel well liner. Now that you have access, locate the back of the headlight housing. You will see the electrical connector attached to the bulb. Gently press the tab and pull to disconnect it. Next, grasp the old bulb and twist it approximately 1/4 turn counterclockwise to unlock it from the housing, then pull it straight out. Take your new bulb, holding it by its base with your clean gloves, insert it into the housing, and twist it clockwise to lock it into place. With the new bulb securely in place, reconnect the electrical connector until you hear a click. Carefully reposition the headlight assembly back into its original spot. Reinstall any bolts or clips that were removed, ensuring everything is tightened and secure. Finally, replace the plastic radiator shield and its 6 pushpin clips. Turn on your truck and test both the low beam and high beam headlights to confirm they are working correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.